là hello.
Hello everyone, this is your host Sam, live broadcasting from Don Agro company. Today we have a disc mill machine and rice mill machine. First of all, this is Monday and this is our afternoon show, and we have guests tomorrow coming to our company to visit. Maybe we are unable to do live stream tomorrow, but today, yes, we can do that. In front of you, ladies and gentlemen, we have a disc mill machine, combined rice mill machine, single R combined rice mill machine, and other combined rice mill machine which quite looks similar to 9FC21SS. Why we are doing stream a lot on rice mill machine? Because rice season is about to begin, and that's why we are doing a lot of stream on rice mill machine. But that doesn't mean that we don't have the other models available in the stock. We have chaff cutter available in the stock. We have a paddy thresher available in the stock. We have a multiple crop thresher available in the stock. We have a self-suction pulverizer available in the stock. We have roundabout all the machines which we have uploaded the video on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram available. Hi, thank you so much for joining our live stream. We have all the machines available in the stock. You don't have to worry about that. But question is that we are doing a live stream. Why? Because we are looking for the importers all around the world. Don Agro is a manufacturer company which is located in Sichuan province, Leshan city, Jingyan county area, where we are manufacturing these kind of agriculture machinery. And when I say these kind of agriculture machinery, I mean that combined rice mill machine, single rice mill machine, 4-in-1 combined rice mill machine, 3-in-1 combined rice mill machines, and many more. This was about rice mill machine. Now in disc mill machine, we have a mini crusher, we have a floor mill machine, self-suction pulverizer, and disc mill machine as well. If we talk about the chaff cutter, we have chaff cutter from capacity 1000 kilogram to 15 tons in 1 hour. Depend upon the client's demand, what kind of chaff cutter they are looking for, what kind of chaff cutter is in huge demand in their country. So this was all about chaff cutter. We have talked about rice mill machine, disc mill machine as well. Now Don Agro also has to offer you a silage packing machine and maize thresher as well, or cone thresher as well. Now what is the use case of a silage packing machine? Those people actually who are using a chaff cutter from ages and they are unable to save their food for their animal, even they are using their chaff cutter in winter or summer and they want to store food for their animal, you don't have to worry about that. Why? Because we already actually have bring a machine into the market which is a silage packing machine with the ability of packing a bag of silage only in 3 seconds, not in 3 minutes. All you have to do is that collect your chaff and put inside the incline hopper of silage packing machine, and it will pack a bag of silage only in 3 seconds. Now we are not done yet. Why? Because when I talk about a multiple crop thresher, in multiple crop thresher actually you are able to get many product. You can thresh many products, and when it's come to the product actually it depends on the client's demands as well. Sometimes clients have demand, sometimes clients don't have demand. In multiple crop thresher, if you want to use for a rice, we have a machine. But if you are looking for a cone thresher, we have two kinds of cone thresher. One is electric motor and the other one which can be used on a gasoline engine as well. Now move to the silage packing machine. We have a silage packing machine which can pack a bag of silage only in 3 seconds. In chaff cutters, we have different kind of a chaff cutter with the different capacity and capabilities as well. In few chaff cutter, they had provided a 4 blades. In few chaff cutter, they had provided a 5 blades as well. Now their capacity vary. The main important thing about the capacity, few chaff cutter has the capacity of 1000 kilogram, and the latest model which we are bringing into the market has the capacity of 15 tons as well. Different shaft cutters have different kind of capacity and capabilities as well. But in front of you, we are not talking about the shaft cutter, we are talking about the rice mill machine. Different kind of a rice mill machine with different capabilities and capacities as well. If we talk about a disc mill machine or a mini crusher, this kind of a machine where we can use that. Actually, the self-suction pulverizer which we have brought into the market, the latest model, can be used for a commercial level. But if we talk about the minis level, like this disc mill machine in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, this kind of a disc mill machine or floor mill machine, or you want to say it a crusher, you want to call it a crusher, can be used for household item as well and mini stores as well. Like some of you, they had your own store in markets and you want to crush many kind of material as well, but you don't have any kind of machines which can crunch or crush many kinds of material into short period of a time, right? So that's where we have bring a disc mill machine, not a self-suction pulverizer, but a disc mill machine. It had a capacity of 180 or 200 to 250 kilogram in 1 hour. Can work on a gasoline engine, at the same time can work on electric motor as well. Ladies and gentlemen, rice mill machine, a combined rice mill machine, which we are going to talk about in front of you. Actually, this is a mind-blowing machine. Why? If we have seen the video of 4-in-1 or 5-in-1 combined rice mill machine, you might know that what kind of capabilities and capacity this machine had. Let's start about the rice separating screen or impurity separating screen. Machine has a capacity of 500 kilogram in 1 hour. Same like, not same, but round about like 6 and 1000. But it has more durability and more mind-blowing features as compared to other rice mill machine. Price of maize grinder. Maize grinder price, sir, you can add our WhatsApp number. We will provide our WhatsApp number after in a live stream, and you can add our WhatsApp number and we will tell you about the price. Now we were talking about the rice mill machine, what kind of capabilities and capacity this beautiful butterfly had. First of all, let's talk about impurity separator. All the people who are watching my live stream, if you have harvest your field, if you have harvest your rice, if you have harvest your paddy from the field, you might know that there are many times when you had impurities inside your paddies. You have many kind of impurities inside your paddies, and that impurities actually gonna affect your rice qualities as well, right? So that's why Don Agro has bring a machine with the impurities collector and impurities separator as well at the same time. This machine in front of you has a combined rice mill machine. We named it a butterfly. As you can see that. We have named it a butterfly. It has many qualities, mind-blowing qualities. First of all, when you're gonna put your paddy inside the incline hopper, actually, this is what we call an incline hopper. When you're gonna put your paddies inside the incline hopper, this is what we call a flow control plates. And you're gonna remove a flow control plates, all of your paddy will go down into the incline hopper. But before arriving into the rice mill head assembly, all of the paddy will stay inside the incline hopper until all of the impurities will be separated and collected into that box. And that's why we named that box impurities collector or impurities box as well. Now, how it actually works? When you're gonna start your motor, when you're gonna start your gasoline engine, if you are using a gasoline engine, but if you are using an electric motor, when you're gonna start your electric motor, machine gonna vibrate. Not whole machine gonna vibrate, but only impurities separating screen and rice separating screen gonna vibrate when you're gonna start your electric motor. So when this machine actually, this plate gonna vibrate, all of the paddy will go down, but all of the impurities will be collected into that box. So after impurities have been collected into that box, paddy will go down into the rice milling head assembly, where all of the milling process will be done. Now, the question is that what makes this model look unique as compared to the other model? First of all, they had provided an impurities collector. Second of all, they had provided a big incline hopper. Third feature is that they had provided a rice separating screen as well. I want to buy it. Sure, sir, you can buy it. We're going to provide you our WhatsApp number. You can add our WhatsApp number and we can talk about the price and how you can buy this kind of agriculture machinery. Now, next thing is that first of all, they had provided an impurities collector. Second of all, they had provided a rice separating screen. Third of all, they had provided a universal wheel as well. The most beautiful thing about this machinery is that it can work on electric motor and gasoline engine, same as the other machine can work. Now, if we talk about the capacity as compared to the other combined rice mill machine, this combined rice mill machine has much better capacity. First of all, its capacity. Second of all of your paddy will be separated from the impurities. Now, good thing is that if you are already in a agriculture field, or if you are already buying or selling paddy, or you are doing a rice business, you might know that this is very important topic to discuss. When it's come to the rice, everybody look for a good production, good rice qualities as well. Now, what are the factors which can actually damage the quality of rice? First of all, when you're gonna put your paddy inside the incline hopper, make sure that all of your paddy which you are putting inside the incline hopper is fully in a dried form and it's not wet. Second thing, when your paddy is going to be fully pure and there won't be any kind of impurities inside your paddy, you will get a good rice quality. All the rice you will get will be in a shining quality first of all. Second of all the rice which you will get will be in a high quality. High quality in which way? High quality mean less broken rice, less half rice and full broken rice. But all the half rice or broken rice which you are getting, you don't have to worry about that. Why? Because they had provided a rice separating screen. This is where rice separating screen will work. Rice separating screen, ladies and gentlemen, will separate your rice into three qualities: full rice, half rice and broken rice at the same time. That's why we name that a rice separating screen. Now, if you are using old kind of a technique rice mill machine, you might know that, like when you get your rice in, let's suppose you are using a single rice mill machine, but in single rice mill machine all the rice which you are getting is in a one form, in a one shape, like it's a full rice, half rice and broken rice, they are mixed. That's why they had provided a rice separating screen in that model. So all of the rice which you are getting will be in three qualities: full rice, half rice and broken rice at the same time. Water break please guys, stay with me. Now other good thing is that about that model, it is easy to carry. Not this only one model, but all the model made by a Don Agro company actually, they are easy to carry. And why they are easy to carry? First of all, they are less in weight. Their weight is not too much as compared to the big rice milling plant, which we are using from ages. Other good thing is that they had provided a universal wheel in all their models. So with the help of this universal tile, or in our own language, we name that a tire. Simple tire, not a universal wheel. We name that tire, a small tires. So with the help of these tires, actually you will be able to carry your agriculture machine from one place to another place. This is really good damn thing which Don Agro is making. First of all, they make sure that all the machines they are manufacturing for their farmer friends, it will be available in both ways. They can use gasoline engine, they can use electric motor. On the other hand, they had provided a universal wheel, so if farmers want to use this kind of agriculture machinery in their farm, they can use it. But if they want to use in their home, they can also use it because they are portable. Portable means they can be carried from one place to another place without wastage of time. Other good thing is that you don't need a much labor to carry these kind of agriculture machinery. Why? Because you only have to provide electricity if you are using electric motor, and you have only had to provide a gasoline if you are using a gasoline engine, and motor will start working. You will get your voice in 2 to 3 qualities: full, half, and broken at the same time. Now, what kind of a machinery Don Agro is making, I have already told you that, but actually small agriculture machinery always play a crucial role in rural areas as well, like where farmers often face challenges such as limited resources, rugged terrain, and lack of access to modern technologies as well. These machines are designed to be compact, affordable, and easy to operate and maintain by farmers with little or no prior experience in agriculture. Some example actually guys for agriculture machinery commonly used in rural areas include rice mill machine, combined rice mill machine, chaff cutter, paddy thresher, cone thresher, multiple crop thresher, salad packing machine. These are the most usable and easy to find agriculture machine which farmers are using. If we talk about the thresher, multiple crop thresher or cone thresher or paddy thresher, these machines are used for separating grains from their stalks or husk, which is an essential step in the harvesting process for crops such as wheat and rice. They help farmers save time and reduce labor cost as well, compared to traditional manual threshing methods. We already have talked about the chaff cutter. Now, if we're gonna talk about the chaff cutter, we have to make sure that what kind of advantage a chaff cutter can bring, even we are watching a rice mill machine. Actually, chaff cutter machines are used for separating the chaff, or you can call a crusher or shredder as well, the dry indigestible part for a carob grains fruit from the grains, which is actually necessarily for preparing the grains for further processing or storage. They help farmers save time and reduce waste compared to traditional manual chaff separating method. Now guys, small agriculture machinery has transformed rural areas by improving productivity and efficiency while reducing cost and environmental impact as well. And when we talk about environmental impact associated with traditional farming method, they also provide opportunities for rural entrepreneurs who manufacture and sell these machineries locally or import them from other countries at affordable prices for small-scale farmers who cannot afford expensive imported machines or hire expensive labor for manual farming operations as well. Now, guys, mini and combined disc mill machines is a compact and versatile agriculture equipment that combines the functions of disc milling, grinding, and crushing into a small, or you can say that, single machine. Okay, mini or combined disc mill machines is a compact and versatile agriculture equipment that combines the functions of disc milling, grinding, and crushing into single machine, making it an ideal choice for small-scale farmers, food processor, and feed miller as well, who require a cost-effective and efficient solution for processing various agriculture products such as grains, spices, herbs, and feed ingredient into fine powder or different sizes and texture as required by specific applications or market. The machine typically consists of a set of horizontal or vertical discs that rotate at high speed to crush, grind, or mill the feed granule output that can be further processed or packed as desired by the user, depending on the specific applications, requirement, and market demand for the final product as well. Quality, consistency. On the specific model and configuration of the mini and combined disc mill machine, the machine is also equipped with various safety features such as dust collection system, noise reduction system, and operator production devices to ensure a safe and healthy working environment for the user, as well as to minimize environmental impact and waste generation associated with traditional milling method at the same time. This was about a combined rice mill machine, but we also had a disc mill machine and other combined rice mill machine, but in that combined series actually we haven't provided a disc mill machine. Why is that? Because its capacity is much more higher as compared to the other models. Capacity is 400 to 500 kilogram in 1 hour. Guys, mini disc mill machine is a compact and portable agriculture equipment that is designed to perform the function of disc milling, grinding, and crushing in a small settling. Other thing is that, guys, actually it is commonly used by small scale farmers. This is really important. When I say a small scale farmers, food processor and feed millers who require a cost effective and efficient solution for processing various agriculture products such as grains, spices, and herbs into fine powder or granules of different sizes and texture as required by specific applications or market. The mini disc mill machines typically consist of set of horizontal or vertical discs that rotate at high speed to crush or grind. Not only crush or grind the feed materials against each other. It is equipped with various safety features such as dust collection system and operator protection devices to ensure a safe and healthy working environment for the user while minimizing environmental impact and waste generation associated with traditional milling method. The machine is also designed to be easy to operate. Okay, now these are the key points. First of all, easy to operate. How much price RMB? Easy to operate, easy to carry from one place to another. Overall, the mini disc mill machines, guys, is an ideal choice for small scale farmers and processor who require a versatile and cost effective solution for processing agriculture product into fine powders or granules of different sizes and textures as required by specific applications or market. Now we're going to talk about a combined rice mill machine. Before that, I need a sip of water. Now guys, a combined rice mill machine is an advanced agricultural equipment that integrates the function of rice harvesting, making it a highly efficient and cost-effective solution for rice farmers who require a one-step solution for processing their rice crops from the field to the mill. Now, the combined rice mill machine typically consists of a rice harvester, a thresher, a cleaner, and a milling unit that work together in coordination manner to process the rice crops efficiently. It allows farmers to harvest and mill rice crops in one pass without the need for separate machines for each function. Morning, how much it and can I see a video of its working to finished product? Also send me your website and contacts. Thanks. Sir, provide you our WhatsApp number later, but it's +861529801111. You can write it down. +861529801111. Chaudhry Mohammad Asif, price by price we will mention. When you're gonna add our WhatsApp number, you can ask about the price as well. Now the milling unit of the machine then grinds the clean grains into different sizes and textures of rice product such as polished rice, broken rice and rice flour as well as required for specific applications or market. It also allows farmers to customize their rice products according to their specific needs and preferences for quality and consistency of output product. Guys, overall combined rice mill machines are highly efficient and cost-effective solution for rice farmers who require an integrated solution for processing their rice crops from harvesting to milling in one pass without requiring separate machines for each function. This is the most important use case of a combined rice mill machine. Now, how they're gonna increase efficiency? The combined rice mill machines integrate all the functions of rice harvesting, threshing, cleaning, and milling into a single machine, which significantly reduce processing time and increase overall efficiency compared to using separate machines from each function. They also reduce cost as well, guys. Not only increase efficiency, but also increase cost as well. How? By eliminating the need for separate machines for each function and reduce processing time and labor costs associated with traditional method of rice processing. The combined rice mill machines can help farmers to reduce processing time and increase overall efficiency compared to using separate machines for each function. When I say about reduce cost, how they're gonna reduce cost as well? I'm gonna explain. By eliminating the need for separate machines for each function and reducing processing time and labor costs associated with traditional method of rice processing, the combined rice mill machine can help farmers to reduce their overall cost of rice processing. They also improved qualities. How they improved qualities? The combined rice mill machines allow farmers to customize their rice produce according to their specific needs and preferences for quality and consistency of output products. This results in improved product quality and consistency, which can help farmers to combine higher prices for their product in the market as well. Now, reduced environmental impact. They also reduced environmental impact by integrating all functions into a single machine. The combined rice mill machine reduce environmental impact associated with traditional method of rice processing, such as fuel consumption, waste generation, water usage, and many more, making it a more sustainable solution for rice processing as well. Now, improved safety. The combined rice mill machine is designed with safety features such as operator protection devices, dust collection system, which can significantly reduce safety risk associated with traditional methods of rice processing, such as dust inhalation, machinery accident, making it a safer solution for rice processing. Overall, guys, using a combined rice mill machines offers several benefits such as increased efficiency, reduced cost, improved quality, reduced environmental impact, and improved safety compared to using separate machines for each function in traditional method of rice processing at the same time. Water break. Thanks. You are most welcome, brother. If you have any question in mind, please let me know. Those people who are asking about the price, gonna mention our WhatsApp number plus 861529801111. Add our WhatsApp number. Those people who wanna ask about the price. Plus 861529801111. This is also the WhatsApp number. This is also the WeChat number. Now let's talk about the single rice mill machine as well. Because those people who even don't want to use a combined rice mill machine, they might be interested in single rice mill machine. Again, in rural areas, everybody know when it's come to agriculture machinery, we have to use in a rural areas, right? We can't use in a big cities or big towns. Of course, when it's come to the agriculture machinery, we have to use in a rural areas. Guys, in rural areas where agriculture is the primary source of income. And when I say primary source, I mean that. Rice mills play a crucial role in processing paddy into polished rice. For what? For consumption. However, the traditional rice milling process is labor intensive, time consuming, and requires significant capital investment as well. This is where rural areas combined rice mill machine use case come into play. The use case involve implementing a modern rice milling system that combines multiple rice mills in a rural area to provide a centralized processing facility. The system is designed to increase efficiency, reduce cost, and provide better quality rice to farmers. How actually it works? If we talk about in detail, collaboration. Farmers in rural areas come together to form a corporate or a farmers association. They pool their resources and invest in a modern rice milling system that can process rice for multiple farmers. Number two, technology. The modern rice milling system used advanced technology such as computerized control system, automated sorting machines, and de-stoner to ensure high quality rice production. The system is designed to minimize waste, reduce energy consumption, and maximize efficiency as well. Processing. The rice milling system processes the paddy received from farmers in a centralized location, reducing transportation cost and time. The system can process large volume of rice simultaneously, enabling farmers to process their entire crop at once. Distribution. The proceed rice is then distributed back to the farmers or sold to local markets, providing them with a better price for their rice. What kind of a benefits? Increased efficiency, reduced cost, better quality, collaboration, environmental benefits. I will say one more time. Distribution, reduced cost, increased efficiency, better quality rice, collaboration, environmental benefits as well. Distribution is a really important topic to discuss. Not only distribution, but also processing. These are the two main points when you are going to use a rice mill machine, you should have keep in mind. A rice milling system processes the paddy received from farmers in a centralized location, reducing transportation cost and time as well. The system can process large volume of rice simultaneously, enabling farmers to process their entire crop at once. Distribution. The proceed rice is then distributed back to the farmers or sold to local markets, providing them with a better price for their rice. It benefits increased efficiency. The modern rice milling system reduces the time and labor required for rice processing, enabling farmers to focus on other aspects of farming. How they reduce cost. The centralized processing facility reduces transportation cost and minimize the need for multiple rice mills in a rural area. Now, better quality rice. The advanced technology used in the modern rice milling system ensures high quality rice production, providing farmers with a better price for their rice. Collaboration. The rural areas combined rice mill use case promotes collaboration and cooperation among farmers, enabling them to share resources and expertise as well. Environmental benefits. The modern rice milling system is designed to minimize waste and reduce energy consumption, promoting environmental sustainability at the same time. Let me fix my angle, ladies and gentlemen, please. Okay. Affordability is also a topic to discuss. Like single rice mill machines are designed to be affordable for small scale farmers, making it easier for them to invest in rice milling technology. Portability. And what is portability? Portability is like you can carry your machine from one place to another place. And all the machines, guys, made by a Don Agro company, they had make sure that like all the machines are portable from one place to another place. And the other good thing is that they are less in weight. And if they are less in weight, means one person can easily carry them from their livestock to their house and from their house to their farm as well. This is what portability play a crucial and important role when you are using these kind of agriculture machinery. And the other good thing is that if you don't want to use these kind of agriculture machinery at your house, you want to use at your farm, but at your farm you don't have electricity, of course they can work on gasoline engine. The latest model even can work on a diesel engine as well. Not only rice mill machine, but chaff cutter, paddy thresher, cone thresher, even self-suction pulverizer, it can also, the latest model can work on a diesel engine. But these models can also work at the same time on gasoline engine and electric motor as well. So you don't have to worry about that, like if you don't have a good electricity connection, how you gonna use these kind of agriculture machinery. You don't have to worry about that at all. And we have talked about the affordability. I'm going to talk about more like single rice mill machines are designed to be affordable for small scale farmers, making it easier for them to invest in rice milling technology. And when we say portability, single rice mill machines are compact and portable, making it easy for farmers to move them from one location to another as needed. This allows farmers to process rice closer to their farms and reduce transportation cost as time. Not only transportation cost, but also time. Simplicity. What is this? Single rice mill machines are simple to operate and maintain compared to full-scale rice milling system. This make it easier for farmers to learn how to use the machine and perform routine maintenance as well. If we talk about the processing, single rice mill machines can process small volume of rice at a time, making it ideal for small-scale farmers who do not have large volume of rice to process. The machine can perform basic rice milling operations such as dehusking, destoning, and polishing as well. Distribution, very important topic to discuss. The proceed rice can be sold to local market or used by the farmer for personal consumption benefits as well. Affordability. Single rice mill machines are more affordable than full-scale rice milling system, making it easier for small-scale farmers to invest in rice milling technology. Portability. Single rice mill machines are compact and portable, making it easier for farmers to move them from one location to another as needed. Now, guys, a disc mill machine is a type of grinding and milling equipment that is used to grind and reduce various material into small particles. It consists of series of rotating discs that grinds and crush the material between them. The use case of a disc mill machine can vary depending on the specific industry and application, of course, at the same time. But there are a few common use cases. Grinding grains. Disc mill machines are commonly used in the agriculture industry. Not only disc mill machine. Agriculture industry to grind grains such as corn, wheat, and barley into fine flour or meal. This is particularly useful for small-scale farmers who want to process their own grains for animal feed or even for local consumption. Pulverizing herbs and spices. Disc mill machines, ladies and gentlemen, are also used in the food and beverage industry to grind herbs, spices, and other ingredients into fine powder. This is especially useful for spices manufacturing, herbalists or chefs who require finely ground spices for their product or recipe. Now, crushing and pulverizing minerals. Disc mill machines can be used in the minimizing and mineral processing industry to crush and pulverize various minerals and ores. This process is often done in extract valuable minerals or to operate the material for further processing, such as smelting or refining. Now, shredding plastic or other materials. Disc mill machine can be used to recycling facilities or manufacturing plants to shred plastic, rubber, or other material into smaller pieces. This is commonly done to facilitate recycling or to prepare the material for further processing, such as extrusion or molding. Sample preparation in laboratories. This is important topic. Disc mill machines are also used in scientific laboratories for sample preparation. They can grind and reduce solid samples such as rocks, soils, or plant material into smaller particles for analysis or testing purposes as well. If we talk about the benefits of using a disc mill machine, it can be a crusher, it can be a single disc mill machine or a floor mill machine. First of all, versatile. Disc mill machine can be used for a wide range of applications and material, making them a versatile piece of equipment. Efficient. The rotating disc in a disc mill machines provide a consistent and efficient grinding action, resulting in finely ground particle. Adjustable setting. The gap between the disc in a disc mill machines can often be adjusted, allowing for different particle size or desired finance. Easy maintenance, not only for disc mill machine but even for all rice mill machines, are generally easy to maintain and clean, making them practical for regular use. Compact design. Many disc and combined rice mill machines have a compact design, making them suitable for smaller spaces or portable usage. Those people who want to port them because they are portable. Guys, in conclusion, in use case of a disc mill machines and combined rice mill machine, depending on the industry and application, its versatility, efficiency, and compact design make it suitable for grinding grains, pulverizing herbs and spices, crushing minerals, shredding materials, and sample preparations in laboratories. In urban areas where there is a high demand for processed grains and flour,